Okay, so the thing which you're going to learn today is rum. So now understand rum is once again we are into the black and white spirit. So rum is it can be a black spirit, it can be a white spirit also, and that is the reason we have Bacardi white rum and then we have Bacardi black rum also. Now, naturally, if something is black and white, so far you have understand that why a gets a why a alcoholic beverage gets a color of that and why it's turned into white. Okay, it's very simple to understand. There are two reasons why a color of a rum get changed from white to brown, brown to golden, golden to dark. It is just reason behind your distillation method and also at the same time the aging. The rum is also aged for a long time. So when you age something on an oak cask or cask like this that you are watching right now on the screen, you can take a look. This is a picture of old time, very very ancient times when rum was basically originated from the sugarcane producing country. So if you take a look at the map right now on the screen that you can take a look, this area is basically a rum belt. Okay, the entire world's rum come from this area because this is the place where most of the sugar cane is manufactured. Sugar cane सबसे ज़्यादा world की sugar cane production जो होता है वो this area से आता है. अब सवाल ये है कि तो इंडिया में क्या गन्ना नहीं मिलता है क्या? हाँ, इंडिया में ज़रूर मिलता है. इंडिया ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस अ वेरी मतलब लाइक अबंडेंट वी हैव अबंडेंट नंबर ऑफ शुगर केन. सो शुगर केन जूस को गन्ने का जूस हम इंडिया में गन्ने का जूस ही पीते हैं उससे. क्या इंडियंस उसमें से रम मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर सकता है? डेफिनेटली कर सकता है और आज इंडिया में रम मैन्युफैक्चर हो भी रहा है. बट येस, when we talk about Bacardi, I think there is no comparison. Okay, because Bacardi is a world leading rum brand. I'm telling you people once again, in this classes obviously we are completing the class for the syllabus, but I'll also tell you you have lots of entrepreneurship opportunities. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा जाके आपको किसी होटल में जाके काम करना है. यू कैन और मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी बनना है, रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर बनना है, जीएम बनना है, एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ बनना है, सबके ये ख्वाब होते हैं. लेकिन यू कैन ऑल्सो बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड गिव द पीपल जॉब. ओके, बिकॉज इंडिया में शुगर केन को रम प्रोडक्शन में इतना यूटिलाइज नहीं किया जाता है जितना इन कंट्रीज में किया जाता है. क्योंकि दिस एरियाज, ये जो कंट्रीज मैंने अभी मार्क किया, क्यूबा, बहामास, पोर्टो रिको, वर्जिन आइलैंड, एंटीगुआ, बारबाडोस, सेंट गायना, सेंट लुलुसिया, वेनेजुएला, all these places are basically dependent, I mean like solely dependent on the sugar cane. उनकी इकोनॉमी में और कुछ नहीं है. हमारे जैसे देश की इकोनॉमी में बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स है, बट ओवर देयर इज अ वेरी वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स. ठीक है. ओके पीपल, सो दिस कंट्रीज इज नोन एज, इन अ सिंगल वर्ड, इस कंट्री का नाम क्या है जिसको मैंने अभी राउंड से सर्किल किया है, इस कंट्री को हम क्या कहते हैं? All these islands known as one single country, and what is the name of that country?
Caribbean.
Caribbean islands or Caribbean islands, that's right. And I'll give you some hint, then you'll understand. Karen Pollard, Chris Gale are come from this area.
West Indies.
Yes, definitely West Indies is a very very common word, but yes, Caribbean island is also a right word. And at the same time, these islands are all together known as a Caribbean, West Indies. So basically जो ये वाला जो portion आपको दिख रहा है, ये डोमिनिकन रियो, ये क्यूबा को छोड़ के, then ये all these places, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Saint Lucia, Antigua, okay, all this thing are comes under the West Indies. So basically our Mr. Gale lives in this island, Barbados. Our Duane Bravo comes from Trinidad and Tobago. So all these places are famous for the sugarcane production, and that's why rum is the, you can say rum is a like a liquid gold for them, because that is the only one that gives them a massive revenue to their economy. Okay. Now we move to the next one. Now rum has different names, so you will see lots of names right now. In the MCQ question, you will encounter this kind of terminology. So please don't confuse. Rum bullion is once again a word that from where the rum has actually come. So rum bullion is nothing but a rum. And there is something called Gorg, Gorg. Admiral Veren was a person because this island was actually under the colonization of the British Army. So before 1758, the entire America and the West Indies are captured by the British Army, and then after that there was a independence fight between Americans and the uh, British soldiers, and they throw the British Army out of the country, and that is known as America's independence. Like 1778, America got independent, along with all this island also. Okay. So that time, Admiral Veren was a person who used to take charge of this island, and he introduced this concept of adding like gorg. Gorg is a word. Basically, it's a terminology. जहाँ पे क्या होता है कि you can add water to rum to dilute it and you can drink. So armies used to drink gorg because they say that the a temperature also a factor, and also at the same time if you get drink rum then you can go for war or anything something like this. So drink rum and fight the war, something like this. But that rum and water mixture, which was invented by Admiral Veren in their army, is known as your god. So please remember this word god. Okay. And something called Nelson blood. Okay, there is a also one more person, another admiral, navy person is known as a Nelson, who was the army chief of that area and who was fighting with the local, I mean, like revolutionist when they were capturing those islands. So Mr. Nelson died in the fight, and their entire body was preserved in rum. So his body was completely put inside a rum, and then this body was shifted to England back by ship because from from ship to like from West Indies to obviously London by ship, it will take lots of time. I mean, like 2 weeks or more than that also. So to the body will get rotten if it is good like that. So that's the reason they put a rum on it. So it's why it is said Nelson blood. So rum is also known as a Nelson blood because we all know that ethyl alcohol is nothing but a spirit which you can preserve any body or any living substance, dead substance. Okay? It is also known as a pirate's drink. Yes, the famous movie which we know that is known as the Pirates of Caribbean by Johnny Depp and all. So in that movies we have watched it that in that time only, I mean like in the 15th century, the entire pirates used to hovering around that islands area because it is also said that the Caribbean island and the those areas are also famous for gold. Like maximum number of golds are there. So Spanish people came to that area to capture that gold, and while they were returning back to the country like Spain, so they were get captured by this pirates over there, and they used to plunder the entire assets and golds which used to be taken by them. So it is also said that when the pirates used to fight against those British army, they used to take a long sip of rum and then they used to jump for the suicide. So that is why it is known as a pirate's drink. Once again, it is also known as a kill devil. Kill devil is nothing but a rum. It is said that if you want to kill a devil like Satan in the cake in the according to the Bible, then you need to drink some rum. Okay. Navy neaters, once again, like Navy officer, Royal Navy officer in your army, they used to drink it neat, and that's the reason it is known as a Navy neaters. So all these factors are there. Spice and main brains. Its rum is also very spicy drink. Okay, so that's the reason it's also known as a spice and main brains. So just to remove the confusion among you that how the rum is consumed and what are the terminology of rums, and that's the reason I think this is most important terminology which you need to keep in mind. So gorg is a very common term. It is sometimes asked in the question. Also, there is a Nelson blood is also the same thing. Lots of question asked. Kill devil is also. What is kill devil? Whiskey, vodka, gin, rum. So you need to pick up the rum from there. Okay. These are the alternative names of rum with a nice history and nice stories. Okay. You can also take a look at the internet when you have a time. You'll get some interesting stories because you know the 17th century's time was very like a problem, like very you know the unrest time for the this area because North America and West Indies, all these countries under the colonization of the British and Spain for a long time. So now after almost 200 years they decide that the time has come to throw these people out of the country like the Indians did 1947. So then lots of fight broke out in that time. So it is said that when the navy people used to go for fight, they used to drink rum, and when the pirates used to go and plunder any British ship filled up with lots of gold bars and coins, they also do the same thing. That is why all these names has come. Okay. Okay. So next one we go. The main ingredient we need a sugar cane, which is nothing but a गन्ने का जूस ओके और गन्ना उससे जो जूस निकलता है फ्रॉम देयर वी एक्सट्रैक्ट एक्चुअली मोलासेस और गुड़ तो गुड़ इज समथिंग विच इज यूज्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर रम रम बनता है गुड़ से नेचुरली गुड़ जो है वो शुगर केन से आता है तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज अ लाइक द मेजर इंग्रेडिएंट तो सीधी भाषा में अगर कहा जाए रम किससे बनता है रम इज मेड फ्रॉम अ बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ sugarcane juice which is nothing but a molasses itna hi aapko bolna hai theek hai then obviously rest all system are exactly the same there is a gur there is a water there is a yeast and there is a dundar now this is a very interesting thing which we'll learn here dundar now what is dundar dundar is basically last batch so let's take an example whenever you ferment a rum so rum you will put that thing तो बासी रम जो होता है कुछ रम को ना जब फर्मेंटेशन होता है तो उसको बचा के रख दिया जाता है for the upcoming fermentation of rum. अब ये जो बचा हुआ रम है ये बेसिकली बन जाता है बांसी एंड यू कैन टेक अ लुक दैट हाउ डज इट लुक लाइक ये देखिए धुंधार देखने में कुछ ऐसा होता है एक नॉर्मल रम होता है विच इज लुक वेरी क्लियर एंड क्रिस्टल और एक समथिंग लाइक दिस सो दिस धुंधार इज एक्चुअली यूज्ड फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ रम शुगर केन जूस मोलासेस तो रहेगा ही ईस्ट भी रहेगा नहीं तो फर्मेंटेशन नहीं होगा एंड धुंधार एंड शुगर केन के अंदर molasses can there are lots of sugars are there so that will get mixed with the yeast and it will create a fermentation okay this is all about the rum manufacturing ingredients now take a look at the manufacturing system it's once again exactly the same thing which you have learned last time अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है बस molasses और yeast को एक साथ mix कर दो with some water without water nothing will happen then वो गुड़ का अचार बन जाएगा ओके तो उसको हम हटाने के लिए क्या करते हैं वी ऐड सम वाटर सो वाटर ईस्ट एंड मोलासेस रिएक्ट टुगेदर एंड दे create first of all an alcoholic drink this alcoholic drink is once again distilled either in pot still and column still now here comes the catch if you want to make a white rum it's completely white in color then you will go for column still, patent still or coffee still जो modern technology है. Now if you want to go for a slow fermentation and dark rum then you should go for the pot still. Simple कहानी जो हमने पहले भी सीखा है. Minimum 1 year of aging है इससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है and rum is heavily blend मतलब है कि दूसरे different type of rum के साथ इसकी manufacture किया जाता है blend किया जाता है इतना ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस वही सेम कहानी आपको लिखना है कि फर्मेंटेशन में क्या होता है वही एडिशन ऑफ ईस्ट मोलासेस एंड देन वी क्रिएट समथिंग कॉल्ड wort is get fermented के बाद जो लिक्विड पैदा होता है दैट इज नोन एज अ वॉश एंड वॉश के साथ हम फिर डिस्टिलेशन करते हैं लो अल्कोहल से लेके हाई अल्कोहल, बस दैट्स व्हाट इट इज इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फर्मेंटेशन सिस्टम, ठीक है। नाउ वी हैव रम with us in our hand. Now rum is after that is divided into three parts. Take a look at this very interesting picture. One is a white color rum, and after that there is a gold rum. See the color now, and there is a dark rum. Now understand one thing, तो सर क्या फर्मेंटेशन से सारे रम के रंग जो है वो चेंज हो रहा है क्या? Now basically देखो, rum is something which after fermentation, even if you do it in a pot still and पेटेंट स्टील फर्मेंटेशन के बाद आपका ये वाला निकलेगा। पॉट स्टील के बाद, पॉट स्टील फर्मेंटेशन के बाद यू वोंट गेट अ कंप्लीट व्हाइट कलर रम, बट यस यू विल गेट स्लाइटली ब्राउन, मतलब पानी का कलर देख के आपको लगेगा कि थोड़ा सा ब्राउन हो गया, चेंज हो गया है थोड़ा सा। आफ्टर दैट इफ यू एज इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, एज के करते रह गए आप, so then you will get a change. So basically अब देखिए, ये जो white color का रम है, this is actually aged for 1 year or sometime more than that. When it is come to gold rum, it is aged for 3 years. और 3 years age होने के कारण the color get changed to white to dark. Okay. इसके बाद there is something called dark rum. Now dark rum is once again a very pungent and strong flavor. Naturally it is been made from the pot still, ठीक है, and after that it is once again lots of things are added also in this, lots of things are also added in this, like some spices and all, and it is also matured in charred oak cask, you know, जो जला हुआ जो oak cask होता है उसके अंदर इसको मैच, बाकी सारे oak cask में होता है, is also done in a oak cask, also done in a oak cask, but the problem with this one is that it is done in a like black color shard, और या फिर जला हुआ जो oak cask होता है उसके अंदर इसकी मैन्युफैक्चर होता है। After that it will get the, after that the color get changed. Now once again, if it is a dark rum, it has to be aged for at least 5 years. So 1, 3 and 5. More you age, more you add spices, more you add all this thing, you will just get the different color. But yes, this is the one, the white rum jo hai, this is the only one which is first made in a patent still. Rest all is go for pot, this is also for pot, but pot still में फर्क यही होता है कि इसके बाद इसकी एजिंग होती है, इतनी एजिंग होती है कि the color will going to get change, ठीक है। अब हम आएंगे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएशन करने की मैंने कोशिश किया है। देखिए लाइट रम, गोल्ड रम एंड डार्क रम। पीपल देखो, रम में बस आपको यही जानना है, इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट अबाउट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस। रम में आपको यही जानना है कि व्हाई इट इज लाइट, व्हाई इट इज गोल्ड एंड व्हाई इट इज डार्क। ओके, नाउ यू कैन take a look that the light color rum is also known as a silver rum or white rum. Gold is amber rum and dark rum is also black rum. Yeah, it is said that it is matured in the patent still, but yes, it is distilled in patent still. It is written here, but sometime it is not. Sometime it is also pot still can be aged. Okay, to gain more color. उसके बाद इसको wooden cask के अंदर इसको डाल दिया जाता है. You can take a look here. After that, pot still के केस में क्या होता है? Like in case of a dark rum, it has been charred heavily in a book barrel. Charred barrel आपको याद ही होगा. क्या है charred barrel? Anybody say what is known as a charred barrel? Anyone says what is known as a charred barrel? Anybody remember?
Sir, old use.
फायर्ड बैरल इसमें सर आग
Sorry,
लगी
sorry.
होती है। विस्की के लिए सर ये यूज होता है जिसमें सर अंदर से मतलब हम लोग उसको जला देते हैं अंदर, एंड देन सर वी एज द विस्की इन इट।
Yes, yes, absolutely right. अच्छा, ये कौन से टाइप के विस्की के केस में ये होता है? If you remember. Sorry. राहुल, आवाज सही से नहीं आ रहा है। कौन से टाइप ऑफ विस्की के केस में हम शार्ड बैरल यूज करते हैं?
सर बर्न्ट विस्की।
नो, कौन से देश के विस्की में शॉर्ट बैरल यूज किया जाता है?
अमेरिकन
The
विस्की।
American whiskey.
Definitely
Whiskey.
right. Yes,
Yes.
it's America. It's America. It's America only the area or only the country जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बैरल का कंसेप्ट यूज करता है. अब अगर बैरल का कलर ही अगर काला होगा, डार्क होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली रम का जो कलर है वो तो डार्क होगा ही. अब गोल्ड रम के अंदर भी कभी कभी स्पाइस कैरामेल ऐड होता है, बट लेकिन डार्क रम के अंदर मैक्सिमम चीजें चला जाता है, जिसके कारण इसका चेंज होता है. अब रम के भी बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स ऐड होते हैं, बनाना रम, सिट्रस रम, कोकोनट रम. दिस फ्लेवर मॉडर्न डेज, दिस फ्लेवर एज फ्लेवर्स आर एडेड टू इंक्रीज द लाइक मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. तो बेसिकली हम लोगों को मालूम ही है कि फ्लेवर कैसे ऐड होता है. देयर इज अ पॉट स्टिल मेथड where either you head mix or either you cold mix. Either you can put the flavoring ingredients on the top, so the vapor will go and catch the flavor, and otherwise you can just take all the fruits and everything and put it inside the liquid, and it will get all the flavor. Okay, so it is a modern day concept. However, I will tell you something. You can add a flavor in the white rum or a light rum. Cannot be you cannot find Bacardi dark rum mango flavor. Never. Bacardi like Captain Morgan dark rum citrus flavor. Never will happen, because dark rum has already got a flavor inside, so you won't be able to get other flavor. So that is the reason all this flavor you can only find in case of a white rum, or maybe to some extent gold rum के केस में आपको मिल सकता है. Okay, naturally light है तो light bodied होगा, गोल्ड है तो मीडियम बॉडीड होगा, हेवी बॉडीड होगा. अच्छा ठीक है, बार बार मैं एक चीज बोलता हूं, बॉडीड का मतलब ये नहीं है कि 40% अल्कोहलिक स्टैंडर्ड. यस दैट्स राइट, दैट्स लाइट बॉडीड. बट मैं फिर से बोलता हूं, एक अल्कोहल की स्ट्रेंथ और अल्कोहल की बॉडी, उसका अल्कोहलिक स्ट्रेंथ से कभी मत डिसाइड कीजिएगा. ओके, उसकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो उसकी फ्लेवर, शुगर लेवल, उसके बाद अल्कोहलिक स्ट्रेंथ, ऑब्वियसली sugar level, everything should be judged, and then only you can say that this one is a like a heavy bodied alcohol. Now take an example. There is a red wine grape known as a Cabernet Sauvignon. Now red wine का alcoholic percentage कितना होगा? 15 to 18%, but still it is known as a all the मतलब like the red wine which is made from Cabernet Sauvignon is known as a heavy bodied red wine. अरे 15 to 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस में परसेंटेज ऑफ अल्कोहल में हेवी बॉडीड अल्कोहल कैसे हो सकता है? इसका मतलब है कि उस वाइन के अंदर there are lots of other things to be added, like there are lots of things added, like there is a flavor, there is a spiciness, there is a I mean alcoholic strength, obviously there is a spice, there is a alcohol, everything is there inside. Okay, then there is a pungentness, there is a acidity, then there is a sugar, all this thing considered together as an alcoholic body. So body, जब हम body की बात करते हैं, when I say that के Shah Rukh Khan is a okay fit person, इसका मतलब ये कि his entire body we are talking about, his healthiness, his eating habits and everything, सब कुछ लेके हम कहते हैं he's a fit person. But if we say the like I mean like other factors, like it's a specific factor. Fit means क्या कि एक आदमी चलने में माहिर है, सब कुछ ठीक है उसके एज के हिसाब से, मतलब 40 years of age or 60 years of age. We cannot expect a 60 years of age person to run like a Usain Bolt. That is not possible. Okay, but yes, does he feed? Does he eat properly? Does he take breath? So that is not as a body. So here also to understand one thing, alcoholic content doesn't decide the entire body. It also adds lots of things. अब जैसे कि लाइट रम के केस में हम देख सकते हैं, इसमें पानी मतलब वही डिस्टिल स्पिरिट के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है, so that is why it is known as a light body. गोल्ड में थोड़ा सा स्पाइस कैरामेल हो जाएगा, और डार्क रम में हम क्या करते हैं, स्पाइसेस कैरामेल मतलब like a burnt sugar हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, and also there is a molasses also. ठीक है, this is the reason it has been known as a stronger rum or dark rum. ठीक है, अब हमारे ये ब्रांड्स हैं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेंड यू द नोट्स, प्लीज read all this brand. If you don't read all this brand, you will definitely not able to remember, and these are going to come in the question paper very nicely. Okay, so you can take a look that Bacardi is a white rum, Don Q Crystal, Ron Rico, all this maximum of this brand coming all the way from West Indies. Okay, although nowadays West Indies cannot claim all the brand names, because you know the entire rum facilities or production houses at Barbados, Caribbean island is purchased by world largest spirit manufacturer. कौन क्या है वो उस कंपनी का नाम? दुनिया के लार्जेस्ट स्पिरिट मैन्युफैक्चर कंपनी, क्या नाम है उसका? There are two. The first one is that, and the second one is an other name. No one knows. Even they also brought our Kingfisher beer, which is United Breweries. उसने उसको भी खरीद लिया है. Now it is the largest in the world. क्या नाम है उसका? Come on, yaar. You have listened this name several times. I know.
Seagrams.
Sorry?
Seagrams.
No, not Seagram. Seagram को भी उसने खरीद लिया है. Tell me. Yeah. So basically, अब ये सुन लीजिए और जान लीजिए, कभी भूलना मत. Okay. There is a company called British company called Diageo. There's a British company called Diageo. So Diageo is the largest spirit company in the world. जिन्होंने क्या किया है, कुछ मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं किया है. इसने क्या किया, बड़ा सिंपल सा कहानी है इसके साथ. इसने बस बैंक से लोन लिया, लोन लेके बकार्डी को खरीद लिया, कैप्टन मॉर्गन को खरीद लिया है, लैम्स नेवी को खरीद लिया है. हमारे इंडिया में इन्होंने क्या बोलते हैं, किंगफिशर बियर को खरीद लिया, कार्ल्सबर्ग को खरीद लिया, च्यूबॉक को खरीद लिया. ओके, और क्या है, और क्या, उसके अलावा समझ लो जैक डैनियल्स को खरीद लिया, ग्लेनफिडिच को खरीद लिया, शिवर्स रिगल को खरीद लिया. सबको इसने खरीद लिया है. इसलिए दुनिया का 85% स्पिरिट ब्रांड्स इसके अंडर में है. 85% लार्जेस्ट स्पिरिट कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड. और इसका सबसे जो लार्जेस्ट मार्केट है वो है इंडिया. कि डियाजियो की जो मेन मार्केट है वो पूरे वर्ल्ड से जो उसको रेवेन्यू मिलता है स्पिरिट से, उसका 37% ओनली इंडिया से आता है. इट्स द लार्जेस्ट मार्केट बिकॉज इंडियंस आर दी लार्जेस्ट अल्कोहल कंज्यूमर्स. नेचुरली 130 करोड़ का पॉपुलेशन में अगर कोई 30 ml भी अल्कोहल ड्रिंक करना शुरू कर देगा तो आप नेचुरली दुनिया के लार्जेस्ट मार्केट बन जाओगे. Diageo was in a very very tough condition, मतलब about to like खत्म हो जा रहा था 2020 को जब लॉकडाउन लग गया था, like completely finish हो गया था. But somehow they have recovered. They have 1,000 crore rupees debt in the Bank of England. Okay, so now the bank is asking, भाई तुम्हारे इतने रुपए लोन है तो ये दोगे कब? जब इंटरेस्ट होता है, they are not able to pay the interest for last 1 year. So then this Bank of England has, or the government of England has actually supported them, because the fact is that Diageo also give a massive excise duty to the government of UK. So that is the reason सरकार देख रहा है कि अगर ये कंपनी खत्म हो जाती है तो मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा रेवेन्यू बंद हो जाएगा. इसलिए जस्ट सपोर्टिंग, ओके, लोन देके पैसे देके उसको सपोर्ट किया था. सो जितने सारे ब्रांड्स आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आज सारे डियाजियो कंपनी के अंडर है. और दूसरा एक और कंपनी है फ्रांस का जिसका नाम है पार्नो रिकार्ड, अनदर वेरी वेरी फेमस कंपनी, पार्नो रिकार्ड, PRNOD, पार्नो, एंड देन उसके बाद द नेम इज रिकार्ड. सो पार्नो एंड रिकार्ड इज बेसिकली टू brothers actually who purchased the entire. Now Pernod Ricard is not able to like expand their business the way Diageo have done, but yes, Pernod Ricard has got Heineken. Heineken is a beer which is comes under the Pernod Ricard. ये भी वही सेम केस है, बैंक के पास गया कि मुझे पैसा दो, हाँ ठीक है मैं दूंगा, आपको क्या करना है, मुझे एक कंपनी खरीदना है, खरीद लिया। तो Diageo never produce a single thing, but yes, all the Bacardi, when they sell their rums in the market, they get the revenue, and the revenue shared is done by the that company only, ठीक है। तो ये है मेन कहानी एक्चुअली। अब सर्विस ऑफ रम, बेसिकली आप देख लीजिए रम की जो सर्विस होती है वो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट कैन बी सर्व विद एनी काइंड ऑफ chaser. Obviously, if there is a white rum, always try to go for like white beverages. Obviously, your spirit like Sprite, Dew, Limca, all these things. But when you are coming for Indian, I mean like the dark rum, obviously you should go for some black soft beverage. Obviously, Pepsi and Coke. There is a famous Indian drink. If you when you go for uh, IT, you will listen this term. There is something called Ramadi. RAMADI। बार में आप जाओगे तो बार में अगर कोई गेस्ट आके ऑर्डर प्लेस करता है कि आई वांट अ रम विद द कोक, सो द बारमैन सेज ओके रमाडी। रमाडी इज अ लाइक रम विद द कोक, दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन स्टाइल व्हिच नोन एज अ रमाडी। नाउ रमाडी का जो ये वर्ड है ये कहां से पाया था? रिमेंबर दैट फेमस बॉलीवुड मूवी which was done by Anil Kapoor and क्या नाम है, अभिषेक बच्चन, और एक था ओम जय जगदीश। ओम जय जगदीश नाम की जो मूवी है उसमें एक सीन था जब लाइक दे ऑल थ्री ऑफ द ब्रदर्स ड्रंक एंड वो लोग घर आते हैं एंड उसके जो वादिया रहमान जो मम्मी होती है, शी आस्क्ड दैट कि बेटा आज आप लोग क्या करके आए, यू आर एक्चुअली शेकिंग। सो देन Abhishek Bachchan says our elder brother जो है that is Anil Kapoor invented a drink that is known as a Ramadi. So हम लोग आज Ramadi खा के आए हैं और पी के आए, sorry, and that is the reason we are so drunk. So from that this word become very much popular in the Indian hotels. So like in Delhi, in Jaipur, in Lucknow or in Calcutta if you go, or in Mumbai if you go, if the bartender, you place this order like this rum and coke, they'll say okay I'll get you one ramadi on the table, please have a seat, okay? So this is how the thing has come. So rum with coke, basically dark rum you serve with a dark spirit, white rum should be served with a white kind of beverages like Sprite, Limca and all, okay, 7-Up and all, everything, okay? Okay, apart from this there are lots of rum based mocktails, rum based cocktails are there, please take a look। जैसे कि समझ लो सबसे पहले आता है डाइकिरी, another famous cocktail. I'll tell you once again, these are not your part of the syllabus, so you need not to learn the cocktail, but just for the information, because cocktail का chapter आपका actually 6 semester के practical में है, where Mr. P. Suresh will going to display all the cocktails and everything. Then you got another one, Cuba Libre. This is made from white cola and lime juice, and then we have something called Blue Hawaiian. That's the Blue Crucio cream, coconut cream. All this thing you'll put it in a mixer grinder and we mix it, blend it, then you get a Blue Hawaiian. I forget to write the name here. The drink that you take a look at the top, this one, it is known as your Caribbean Delight, while you can add rum, coconut cream and your some pineapple juice, put it in a mixer grinder and it will give a juice. So basically it's a pineapple milkshake. In Caribbean island it is also known as a pineapple milkshake, जहाँ पे milkshake के अंदर they add 30 ml of rum actually. A beautiful drink to consume. Planters Punch, that is golden rum and lime juice. So golden rum is basically the brown color rum which you have to use, and then you add a lime juice with some ice, ठीक है? So ये था आपका rum actually, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है rum के ऊपर. Now there are type of rums like Martinique rums. There is something called Demerara rum. Okay, there is something called Puerto Rican rum. All this thing you need to read from the books. Okay, Demerara rum is once again a very, very dark color rum. Now Demerara is a place, a river actually in Barbados, where the river runs on both the banks of the river. There is a sugarcane field. From that field this rum actually come, and it is very, very pungent. Also Demerara is a famous brown sugar. आप जब 5-star होटल में ट्रेनिंग करने जाओगे तो देखना जो कप का जो शुगर कैडी होगा उसके अंदर आपको व्हाइट शुगर ब्राउन शुगर देगा. द मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड 95% brown sugar come from this part of the world because they manufacture sugar cane in a high rate. So brown sugar is basically caramelized sugar. White sugar में आपको like you will find it's a running sugar और brown sugar में आपको जमा हुआ दिखेगा. So that is basically come from Demerara. Also India also manufacture the sugar naturally. There is no other point. But yes, you know the sugar cane heaven of sugar cane is known as a West Indies or Caribbean island. So Demerara rum, and there is something called Puerto Rican rum, and also there is something called Jamaican rum. Now Jamaican rum is something that is aged in a oak cask for a long time, and that is why maximum dark rum जितने सारे आपके हैं वो आता है आपका जमाइका से. Okay, right? So this is about the rum manufacturing process and everything. So this way we will end with the rum. Now we will enter to another part, and this way we can finish off with the rum and the spirit chapter that is known as a tequila. Okay. So before we start, yeah, please carry on.
सर जो हमारी रम है वो बनती है हमारी मोलेस से.
True. Yes.
का कलर होता है ब्राउन. तो सर जो हमारी व्हाइट रम है वो कैसे बनती है सर? क्योंकि मोलेस का कलर ब्राउन होता है.
या डेफिनेटली कलर ब्राउन होता है. आपको ब्राउन कलर से तो कुछ करना तो है ही नहीं. ब्राउन कलर से आपको क्या करना है? देखो मोलासेस के साथ आप पानी को मिक्स करते हो एंड देन देयर इज अ शुगर ऑलरेडी इन मोलासेस. तो नेचुरली आपको इसमें शुगर ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू विल ऐड